Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a clean, luxury hair care experience, then you're in the right place today. We all know the struggle of dealing with dry, frizzy hair, especially after a long day of styling or using heat tools. But what if you could have a shampoo and conditioner set that not only addresses those concerns, but also gives your hair that salon-fresh feel without the harsh chemicals? Well, today we're diving into the L'ANZA T.R.U.E. Duo Hair Kit, a set that promises to leave your hair feeling nourished and silky. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. This L'ANZA T.R.U.E. Duo Hair Kit includes two essential products: the Clean Shampoo and the Pure Conditioner, both designed to tackle dryness, frizz, and the stress that heat styling puts on your hair. What sets it apart from many other hair care lines is the fact that both products are fragrance and paraben-free. And here's the kicker, they're vegan and cruelty-free. So if you're into conscious beauty, this could definitely be a win. Looking at the Clean Shampoo first, it's a unique powder formula. You sprinkle it into your palm, add a bit of water, and watch it activate into a lather that gently cleanses your scalp and hair. It's formulated to clean without stripping the natural oils your hair needs to stay hydrated, which is a huge plus if you're dealing with dryness. As for the Pure Conditioner, it's designed to follow up with some serious moisture and repair, helping to calm the effects of thermal styling. Both products are part of the T.R.U.E. Thermal Repair Underlying Elements system, which means they're specially formulated to protect against heat damage and preserve hair health. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using the L'ANZA T.R.U.E. Duo for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, the experience has been pretty pleasant overall. The powder shampoo took a little getting used to at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite effective. It's gentle on the scalp, and my hair didn't feel stripped after washing. However, I did notice that the lather isn't as rich as traditional liquid shampoos, but that didn't bother me much since it cleaned well without over-drying. The conditioner, though, is a standout. It has a creamy texture and doesn't weigh my hair down. I applied it to damp hair, and it left my strands feeling incredibly soft and smooth. After styling, my hair had noticeably less frizz, which is a win for those of us battling humidity or using heat tools daily. I even noticed that my hair held up better throughout the day, and it didn't feel as rough or dry by the evening. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the L'ANZA T.R.U.E. Duo Kit really does deliver on its promise to reduce frizz and fight the effects of heat styling. The products are lightweight, and the conditioner is especially hydrating without being heavy or greasy. Plus, the vegan and cruelty-free aspect is definitely a plus for those who want to be mindful of the ingredients they're using. On the flip side, the powder shampoo might not be for everyone. It's a little unconventional, and it can take some time to get used to. I personally didn't mind it, but it's something to consider. Also, the price point is a bit higher compared to drugstore options, so it's something to weigh in terms of value. Speaking of value, I think the price is justified if you're looking for a luxury, clean, and effective hair care routine. The ingredients are high quality, and the results are noticeable in terms of smoothness and frizz control. However, if you're just looking for a basic shampoo and conditioner for everyday use, there are more affordable options out there that might do the job. Comparing this set to other high-end shampoo and conditioner kits, like the Pureology Hydrate line or the Oribe Gold Lust Duo, the L'ANZA T.R.U.E. Duo holds its own. It's definitely in the same tier, with its focus on anti-frizz and hydration. However, the Pureology and Oribe lines are often praised for having a richer fragrance and even more extensive anti-aging properties. So while L'ANZA may not have the same luxurious scent profile, it's still a strong contender for those who prefer fragrance-free, vegan, and cruelty-free formulas. In terms of build quality, both the shampoo and conditioner come in sleek, practical packaging. The kit's compact size makes it perfect for travel, which I love. The formula seems to be long-lasting, and even after multiple uses, my hair feels as healthy as it did when I first started using the products. So, what about alternatives? If you're on a budget or prefer something with a similar clean profile, you might want to try the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo and Conditioner. It's not exactly the same, but it offers deep hydration and frizz control at a more affordable price point. To wrap it all up, I think the L'ANZA T.R.U. Duo Hair Kit is a solid investment for anyone struggling with frizzy, dry hair who wants to take a more conscientious approach to their hair care routine. The shampoo and conditioner work well to hydrate, protect, and smooth, and the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free makes it a great choice for conscious beauty lovers. Before you go, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from Beautyistic. And if you're itching to try this duo out, I've dropped the link for you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.